We've travelled down to sunny Devon today and we're going to be talking about the XYZ CT65 LTY. Now this machine is the smallest Y-axis turning centre in the XYZ range. As you can see, the footprint is very small. But let's get into the machine, right? So this is a solid built machine, multi-axis lathe, 65mm bar capacity, 4,500 RPM. Now you've got 70mm in the Y-axis here, so at the right hand side you'll be able to see the tailstock to hold those longer parts. It's got a 12 station VDI turret on it, so every single one of those stations has live tooling on it, so you are talking about turning and milling. Positional accuracy of plus to minus 5 microns and repeatability plus to minus 2 microns. Now Siemens 828 shop turn control, we have been speaking to the engineers here and genuinely they are so happy with this control. It's user friendly, it's easy to use. They're talking about taking out the G codes and they're basically saying it does the hard work for them. Now what's unique about this particular machine is that hydraulic 3-jaw chuck. It's got a parts catcher and a through tool and flood cooling, and it's got a Renishaw automatic tool setting arm. But all in all, on this machine, it's a small footprint, and having the live tooling, having the Y-axis means if you're turning or milling your parts, they are coming off this machine finished. Any more information on this machine, contact XYZ Machine Tools.